Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you guys how to download Twitch Studio on Windows 10. So that's what we're going to do today in this tutorial, is how to download Twitch Studio on Windows 10. Okay, so let's go to get started here with this video and I'll show you guys how to do this. So head on over to your web browser and then type in Twitch Studio, download. Alright, so go ahead and click on that and then click on download Twitch Studio. It's pretty easy to do. And then this is the Twitch up here. So once you go to this page, type in, no wait, click on this one right here. It says download Twitch Studio. Alright, so go ahead and click on it. And you should get this file here. And then go ahead and show it in folder. Then click on the top one up here. Oh, 1 second. Gotta close out everything. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on this. And then once this comes up, go ahead and hit install. And then if you get an administrator, just say yes. Alright, so it's updating from network. So that's what it's doing right now. It's updating from the Twitch Studio app. Alright, so once it's all done, you should be good to go here for this Twitch Studio. And if you get this here, just hit allow access. So yep, that's pretty cool. And then this is my Twitch channel. All you have to do is just hit continue and then you should be good to go. So if you get this page here, all you have to do is just hit activate this right here. Just so you know, activate your device. Just hit activate and then hit authorized. And then your app, Twitch app should be good to go now. And it says welcome to Twitch Studio. This is going to ask you to set up and everything. So yeah, that's pretty simple tutorial today. So I guess that's pretty much it. And I want to say thank you for watching. And I'll definitely have new videos up every week for tutorials. And I want to say thank you for watching and I'll see you guys later.